Hello. In this video, we are going to describe what our inner world is like from the perspective of a blind person with DID. So, our inner world, I'm not going to be able to show pictures because I don't have a picture of what our inner world looks like, so I'm going to be describing it. We have a pyramid, and the pyramid has 3 levels, and on the top of the pyramid is a castle. And in that pyramid, on the bottom level, we have kind of like a hospital / safe rooms for altars. And then we have like a box where altars can put memories that we can't deal with. And sometimes some of the older parts will go to that bottom level to comfort. Sometimes younger parts will go down there if they're not being safe, to comfort them and help process through things. But the box is down there so that memories can be put into that box until we go to therapy, and then they can be processed. The middle level of the pyramid is a playroom for the littles that also has rooms where parts can go to de-stress. There's like beanbag chairs around. There's like a sensory corner for the littles. There's like a place where the babies can play. And they have little sleeping cots and a little area where they can do school stuff. So that's the middle of the pyramid. The top level of the pyramid is like a conference room of sorts where we get together and communicate. And so that's the top level of the pyramid. Then to get into the castle, on the thing for the door, there is a fingerprint reader, and that's how people get into the castle, is with the fingerprint. And in that castle, some of the littles have their own bedrooms. Some of the younger girls have like their dream rooms with like princess stuff. And the adults have their own rooms, and the teens have stuff they want in their rooms. I don't have access to the castle. But then outside of the pyramid / castle structure, there's like a walkway with flowers on either side, and then there's like a path that goes all the way around the pyramid, and there's like a city with like a shopping mall and things like that. Now you may be wondering how we visualize all of this, being blind and having never seen before. Well, we take things that we have touched or places we have been, and that is how we imagine. And we kind of like, if we can imagine it, then we can make it in the inner world. And yeah, so that's kind of a overview of the structure of our inner world. If you have any more questions, comment and like the video if you like it, and subscribe if you are new, and always live to inspire. Thanks. And it's Ray signing off. Peace. Goodbye.